No.
Come on down.
What?
Gotta show you how the faucet works. Come on in, Sydney. Turn on the cold water.
Wait.
Right here. Turn on the cold water.
This is the cold.
No, that's the hot. That's the cold. Turn the cold water on. All right, turn it off. Okay, turn the hot water on. Turn it off. All right, turn both the hot and cold water on. Turn them off.
Wait.
It's
Any
flipped.
any questions?
It's flipped.
It's
All right, the reason why it's very hard to find the parts for this. So I had to use the cold water valve stem. I'm sorry, the hot water valve stem here, because I did not have another hot water valve stem that actually worked. So this is the way that it turns to turn on. This is the way it turns off.
But what about someone forgets like, oh no,
I know. We'll have to make sure that folks won't come in, but that's what it will look like. Honestly, until we probably replace all the faucets or until I can find a part. But at least you have a working, non-leaking.
I'll have to bang my head on
Yay,
this.
all right, yay. Sydney, any questions?
She doesn't even use this bathroom.
Sydney, any questions?